It's your boy Mickey here, and I finally caught up on some sleep, thankfully, and I get to walk outside for the first time to the Bad Apple in front of my house. This is a good feeling for me. Even though it's on the trailer, it's here at my home, and I'm pretty excited about it. Now that I'm going to be gone for 4 days at SEMA before 7 stock, I can't put hands on the car anyway, so I might as well let the guys at BCC do what they do best and make this car shine. So thanks to the boys Doug and Carlos over there. I look forward to dropping the car off to you guys today and then picking it up in a week to see what it looks like when it's all said and done. Oh my god, it's so close to being a street-worthy car and me being able to drive it every day. I cannot wait. Alright, so as you guys can see, we arrived here at BCC Unlimited. Doug has met me here on a Sunday afternoon. I'm grateful to him for taking time away from his family to take the car in before I leave for SEMA at the 11th hour. There he is, the man himself. I was just telling everybody that we just got up here, and thank you for you taking time out of your Sunday to come meet up with me.
Absolutely, we're excited here.
So, the car is a beast. Oh, it's so hard to leave it here. All I've done is eat, breathe, and live this car for the last 3 months. I don't want to leave it here. Damn. Well, I know it's in good hands. The boys at BCC are going to get right on it first thing in the morning, and he's saying that it's going to be done in a couple days. Unfortunately, I'm going to be at SEMA, so it doesn't really matter when it gets done as long as it's done before 7 stock. So that concludes the saga of Mickey and Ricky and throtl completing the RX-7 for 7 stock. I've got some work to do now. I've got to head off to Las Vegas.
One eternity later.
Welcome back to the vlog, boys and girls. Just got back from SEMA. It's the day after. Just got up, gassing up TJ's truck. He's been gracious enough to let us drive it up to BCC Unlimited today, and we're gonna go pick up the RX-7. Alright guys, so just swing through Ricky's house, picked up him and his boy Eli. We're rolling deep today, boys. Now we're off to LA to pick up the old Bad Apple. Ricky, Eli, and I just arrived. We're about to pick up the Bad Apple, baby. What's up?
What's happening, guys?
We have to get this car, get it on the trailer. Actually, we'll have to get this car and not get it on the trailer.
That's right.
Damn.
No more.
I'm driving this thing today. It's surreal. Let's go see how it looks. I have a feeling it's gonna look pretty damn good. Man, you guys just make it look better and better every time I'm here. Did you break anything?
Yeah, not yet. Not yet.
What's up, man? How are you guys?
Good. Waiting for menudo.
Huh? What?
I'm waiting for menudo.
Menudo?
Yeah.
Right now? I always show up here at lunchtime. So, what do we think?
Oh my god.
This is honestly better than I ever could have anticipated.
Lucky man over there.
The color
I was nervous because in the shop, we've been working on it so much in the shop that it looks very dark and almost like burgundy.
Right.
It's not burgundy at all. Can you guys appreciate that color? It's so sick. Mazda. Thank you, Mazda, for creating a beautiful color. Alright, let's get on the road, dude. We got
What's up, everybody? Good morning. It's currently 4:30 a.m. Ricky and I are packing up to leave for 7 stock with the rest of the crew here at Ricky's house on Rotary Way. Ricky, what are you doing, brother?
Stocking up my medicine.
Coca-Cola?
Yes, sir. And Twix.
What else you got in there?
Twix, baby. Come
Oh,
on.
hey.
Look at that.
Just a little Twix. Only the left side, of course. Stay tuned and join us today for all the action from 7 stock 21? 7 stock 21?
21.
Because we're bringing the heat with the boys from DNA Garage. We're going to have a large booth out there with 30-some cars. Ricky's going to be out there with his car. TJ's going to be out there with his RX-7. And the whole DNA crew is going to be out there as well. The Throttle team will be there. Hope we can see you guys out there at the show when we get there. If not, keep watching the vlog. About to bring you all the action. Alright, so we made it to the meetup spot, but not without it. Some issues. Ricky's 510 ran out of gas, so we had to send one of the other vehicles off for a 2-gallon jug of gas to get us over here. We made it. There's some dope other rotary cars here. I'm gonna run inside and grab some goods, get back on the road. Ricky, what in the hell is going on?
So, one of our friends, I told him, go get gas before you freaking come all the way out. He ignored me. He passed 3 gas stations thinking that he was going to make it out here. Ran out of gas. My boy Bradley had to go save the day.
My man.
all the way from Maui.
Yo, he's super mad. He's so mad.
He'll get over it. So as you guys can see, Ricky's car is a bit of a flamethrower. Chris's car was throwing flames too, but I didn't capture any of it on film, unfortunately. I cannot wait till my car's tuned and can do that too. It's pretty cool. Man, we're right around the corner from the speedway. I'm so excited to finally be here. I'm really enjoying driving this car, even though it's very limited on what I can do because of the, I'm limited to 3 pounds of boost and about 4,500 RPM to break the engine in. So it's really hard to keep this car, I guess I should say it's really hard to enjoy the car because it wants to go and I can't, it just cuts it. And the car falls on its face so I don't hurt it. So soon enough we'll be there. We got about 200 miles on the clock, so we got about 600 to 800 more before it can be thrown on the dyno. Man,
that time can't get here soon enough. But I'm really enjoying this car. I've had a smile on my face the whole time we've been driving over here, so yeah, today's gonna be amazing. Can we just listen to the idle here and appreciate it? I don't know if you guys can tell, but the whole car rocks every time it, oh, so good.
We made it to Fontana, California, to Auto Club Speedway. Eli's back there clowning in front of my whip.
Gotcha.
Sit on the hood, big boy. We're waiting on the boys from DNA Garage to get here. There's already a massive line to get in. It doesn't look massive from here, but it goes all the way out to the gate pretty much. We got 35 cars in our booth today, so we got a lot of setting up to do. We're waiting on TJ to get here. His car is getting delivered directly from SEMA by Emergency Hookers. Thanks, Victor, you're the man for doing that for us. So TJ and Evan are on their way up here from San Diego right now. They're gonna get here about 8 o'clock. It's about 6:30 here in the morning, and yeah, man, it's gonna be an awesome day. I cannot wait to get inside. I might even go ahead and pick out a few of my favorite whips and show you guys some in detail stuff about them. What a fun drive. Man, I can't wait to uncork this car. It sucks driving with these guys because they can just floor it and make flames and do all kinds of cool shit, and I just have to watch. At least my car looks good, I think. Hey Louie, good morning.
What's up? Good morning. Well, I haven't slept, so I don't know.
Meanwhile.
We made it out here to Honda Fest 2018. Lots of Civics. It's gonna be an awesome time today.
Ooh, baby. The bad apple is alive. Ooh, damn. That steering wheel looks good in there.
Seriousness, we're out here at 7 Stock at Fontana Speedway. Today's gonna be an awesome day. It is the debut of Mickey's RX-7. Now, if you've been following the build, you guys have seen how much time, how much effort, how much blood, sweat, and tears has gone into this car from so many amazing people. So I think this vlog is gonna be kind of a combination of me and Mickey, but I just wanna say thank you to everyone who's been on board with this project. Hey, what's up, man? How are you? Good to see you. Alright guys, so I wanted to clear something up, which is kind of an embarrassing thing. Why did we not bring the RX-8 to the largest rotary event ever? That was my fault. That was my bad. So I had to get to the shop. Had to get to the shop today about, I don't know, 6 in the morning. Super tired from SEMA, totally forgot. Totally brought my M3 to a rotary event. So that was my bad, but that's okay. Car's obviously not done yet, not really started. one other thing that I want to do today, which is to go out and check out as many RX-8s as I can. And I'll see if I can walk around with TJ or Alex. I want to get your opinions though. I want you guys to comment down below which is your favorite RX-8 and why. We do have some stuff on order, but I want to get everyone's kind of opinion. As you guys know, we are giving that car away basically at the end of December, but we have a lot of stuff we want to do to the car. We want to make it pretty wild. So I want to get everyone's feedback. You guys let me know though. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys want to see, what kind of wheels work, what don't, what body kits work, what don't, and what mods should we do. All right, guys.
Ooh, Mazda's got a booth here. Check it out. That's the color I've got on my RX-7 right there. We stole it from one of the newer models, and it looks almost exactly the same. That's good. Good job, BCC.
It looks better on your car though, I have to say.
Well, they designed this color to show off these body lines, as I read. And the FDs don't have those body lines, so it's a little different. I think it complements the smooth body line of the RX-7 very well. So we're cruising the show, ran into the boys from Elite Rotary. They flew in all the way from the East Coast. These guys have some of the flyest shit for 13Bs and a lot of other engines as well. This is the whole reason why I came today, other than bringing my car out. I got to sit in these cars in the Mazda Museum, but hearing them run is a whole nother animal. So we just finished the live stream. Thank you guys. There were thousands of people watching us on the live stream. That's dope. I fired up the car at the end so you guys could hear it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. TJ pulled in right at the end, which is sick. As you can see, there's a massive crowd around both the cars. The support of the Rotary community of TJ and I has been awesome. And I'll be honest, it's honestly the most rewarding car I've ever built in my career building cars. It feels good. I'm happy to be here, happy to be a part of this community. I'm gonna walk you guys around, show you guys some of the whips here. I think you're gonna appreciate it. All right guys, TJ just fired up his RX-7. He's heading back to San Diego. We're gonna do the same here shortly. This show's about to wrap up. We had an awesome day out here at 7 Stock 21. I did not get around to show you guys any of my favorite cars because I was barely able to leave the booth all day with all the fans that were here, which was awesome. Really appreciate all you guys coming out and seeing us. Evan showed you guys some of his favorites, and I know that he asked you guys some questions about our RX-8 project, so please leave us some comments below on the direction that you want to see on our RX-8 project, because at the end of the day, it's going to belong to one of our VIP members. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today at 7 Stock. Thank you guys so much for supporting the Bad Apple RX-7 build you see behind me here. It is a passion project for me. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. It's about 80% done. I've got 20% more to show you guys, so stay tuned to our upcoming videos. We're going to be doing some new work on the car and reworking a few items that I'm not happy with. So thanks again guys, thank you for subscribing. Leave us some comments. Please leave us some thumbs up or thumbs down, whatever you want to do. We love you all. Throtl family, peace out.